Students, exercise 1.4 number systems. Question number 1. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Students, this is a very simple topic. In solution, we know that 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. So, on a number line, we place 0.3 and 0.4 at two particular positions like that one, which I have pointed out. After this, so let us divide the part of the numbers line between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts and look at the portion between 3.7 and 3.8 through a magnifying glass. Why 3.7 and 3.8? Because after 3, here look at this portion. This one is 3. So we on the first number line we have to take 3. 3 से नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होता है 4. सो आप 2 एंड पॉइंट्स पे 3 and 4 ले लीजिए. आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद 3 के बाद पोजीशन आती है 7 की. तो 7 से नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा होता है स्टूडेंट्स 8. सो हम 3.7 एंड 3.8 बिकॉज 3.7 इज देयर. सो हेयर ऑन 10 इक्वल parts we will take 3.7 and 3.8. After this, if when we see this by magnifying glass, so on next number line the two numbers will be at the end positions 3.7 and 3.8, and we will divide these 3.7 and between 3.7 and 3.8 into another 10 equal intervals. Okay, then 3.7, after this 3.71, 3.72 with the same way 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, and after this 3.76 is there. So we will take 3.76 and 76 से next number कौन सा होता है 3.77. By magnifying glass, when we will see on the next number line this 3.76 on this part and 3.77 on this part. Okay, then now you will do what? Join this and this one. This one like that one, and after this 3.76 is there and 3.77 is here, and again we will divide the number line between 3.76 and 3.77 between 10 another equal intervals. Then after 3.76 we will take 3.761, 762, 763, 764, and we will come to our final point position as 3.765 here. This is the visualization of 3.765. Next portion, next question students. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is as visualize 4.26 bar means 4.262626 and so on on the number line up to 4 decimal places. It means 2.4 after 0.4 decimal places. What we'll do? 4 decimal places are means we need to visualize 4.2626. This is the real number which we have to visualize after point up to 4 points position. Now first number is 4, so we will place 4 and at the end 4 से next number कौन सा होता है 5. Then what we will do, we will divide this 4 and 5 among this whole number line into 10 equal intervals as 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, because students 4.2 is there na, so we will take 4.2 in the magnifying glass and after 4.2 4.3. These two numbers we will take under the magnifying glass position. Then these two numbers are there 4.2, 4.3. Make these the end positions, place these 4.2 and 4.3 on another number line at the end positions 4.2 and 4.3. After this, again you have to divide this number line between 4.2 and 4.3 into 10 equal intervals again. Then what we will do, after 4.2 what we have 6, so we will do what, after this 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.25 and then 4.26, and after 4.26 what will you get 4.27, and under the magnifying glass take these two numbers. Again what you have to do, you have to take these two numbers at the end positions on the next number line as this one, like that. And after this what will you do, 4.26, then again what we need 4.262, then take 4.26, 4.262, 263 and so on. Then again what will you do, you will have to take 4.262, 263, 262 is there and 263 is here, and between this we need to 262, 2621, 2622, 2623, 2624, 25 and 2626. This is the final position. The required number we need to visualize on the number line is 4.2626. This is the real visualization of 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. That's it. This exercise is finished.